Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account in DoorDash. First, open the Dasher app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom of the app. You will see a menu with different options. From the menu, find and select the earnings section. This is where you can manage how you receive your payments. After opening earnings, look for the option that says Add Bank Account and tap on it. This will take you to your banking details. Next, you need to enter your bank information. Carefully type in your routing number and your bank account number. It is important to enter these numbers manually instead of copying and pasting them. This helps avoid errors that could delay your payments. After entering your details, continue to the next step. For security reasons, DoorDash may ask you to verify your old banking information before adding the new account. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete this verification process. Once everything is confirmed, your new bank account will be added. Your future earnings will be sent to this account based on the standard payout schedule. Thanks for watching.